our second chief guest, Shri Srinivas Maneji, to say a few words and enlighten us. Shri Srinivas Maneji.
Namaskar to everyone. On the very first outset, I wish everyone a very happy Independence Day. This 75th year means a very long journey for this country, and each and every step what we have been seeing since 1947 till today, it's really we are stepping towards to one day to lead the entire world, and India should be the captain of the entire world. Secondly, I also congratulate AIM India Bhatkal community. I'm really very thrilled to express that our Karnataka people coming out with this idea, helping the distress, because my experience I have seen, we feel helpless in our own hometown. If something small changes happens in a life, maybe a medical, financial, or employment, or any other thing. So we feel helpless in our own town. Think of the people who have gone all the way abroad, some other country, and they are in a very pathetic situation where they don't have anyone to help. And at this stage, we have seen many people losing life because they don't see any hope. They won't have any hope that someone will come and help them at this time of their hard times. So AIM India has come out with this idea of keeping everybody online through their websites, educating them that if any problem occurs anywhere outside India, AIM India is there to help them, to bring them out of their problem, to bring them back to their country, and at the hard times, help them to come out of all this situation. And I wish the entire team of AIM India a very successful service, what they're planning ahead. And I, as a Kannadiga, as a Karnataka, and an Indian, and a public representative, assure that whenever AIM India needs me, wholeheartedly, we're all there with them for any help or any work or any responsibility. AIM India feels that I can really contribute something from my side. Thank you for giving me this opportunity, inviting me to be the chief guest on this launch of website. And it's really a privilege for me to be among you all, to know you all here. I pray God that some opportunity comes that we meet personally and exchange a lot of our other ideas, how we can help the paint the community at large. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you for your kind and noble words. And definitely the coming days are for India. India will lead the world, inshallah. And thank you for your words of encouragement. Definitely that will motivate the team to do further social work and to bring upliftment in the society. And definitely we would like to meet you, and we would like to meet Akhilesh ji also in person. And if you have time, we invite you to also come to Dubai. Okay, be our guest. And when we are there, we can also join you and see you. Okay.
Definitely. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much for taking your valuable time. Very appreciated. We know you have a busy schedule. You have so many things out there. So, and thank you for encouraging the whole team.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.